Hey guys, my weather radios are going off.
Protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. for the following counties in Wisconsin, Marathon, Portage, Waukesha, and Waukesha. The following is a severe weather bulletin. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 8:15 p.m. for Central Wood, Portage, and southeastern Marathon counties. At 7:46 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles northwest of Beaverton near Stevens Point near Lake Waukesha, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and any-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Intent, expect damage to roof, siding, and trees. These severe storms will be near, getting around 7:55 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Mirador, Eldorado, Pike Lake, Moon, Park Ridge, Connington, North Star, Gainesville, Holt, and Pullman. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 08:15 p.m. for the following.
You shut the grandma's windows?
Yeah, I am.
The following is a severe weather bulletin.
Yep.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm warnings.
Hey guys, I have to go outside because I have to shut the windows in the van. So I'll be right back in. Because it's not raining yet, but let's see if I see. It's right up here. You can't see how dark it is, but it's very dark. And the trees are barely moving. It's not even windy. As you see by my shirt, it's not really that windy. Indication that something bad's gonna come with high winds or something. Because usually trees are moving, but they're not. And I have to shut the windows in the van because the rain, it said torrential rain is fall occurring and stuff. So I'm gonna. So you see the light came on too. Whoops, the wrong one. There we go. See, I'm shutting the window. There we go. Sorry about that beeping. It was just the car, because the car has power windows, so you have to have the key on for it to work. So I did that. As you've heard, all my weather radios went off, and I'm just looking to see what any formation of a self cloud. So
Close them both?
yeah, only one was open. The other one wasn't.
Which one was open?
The driver's.
Yeah, but the other
Or
side was open too.
no, the passenger.
Oh, so mom was shut.
Mom's was shut.
The following is a severe weather bulletin. The National Weather Service in Green Bay has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Portage County, southeastern Marathon County, Waukesha County, Waukesha County, until 8:30 p.m. At 7:50 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Evans to near Whiting to 6 miles south of Lake Rosita, moving southeast at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, trained weather spotters. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
That's
Severe thunderstorms will be near, averaged around 8 p.m. Plainfield and Hartman Creek State Park around 8:10 p.m. Chino Lakes King around 8:15 p.m. Wapak around 8:20 p.m. Watoma around 8:25 p.m. Red Granite, Fremont, and Nakawan Scout Camp around 8:30 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Schmidt Corner, Northport, Connington, Kilner, Ellis, Nelsonville, King, Iola, Simcoe, and Custer. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. for the following counties in Wisconsin: Marathon, Portage, Wapaka, and Waushara. The following is a severe weather bulletin. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 8:15 p.m. for Central Wood, Portage, and southeastern Marathon counties. At 7:46 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles northwest of Bevan to near Stevens Point to near Lake Wazika, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. These severe storms will be near Bevan around 7:55 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Millador, Elderon, Pike Lake, Roman, Park Ridge, Connington, North Star, Gansey, Holt, and Kilmer. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 8:15 p.m. for the following counties in Wisconsin: Marathon, Portage, and Wood. The following is a severe weather bulletin. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 630, effective until 1 a.m. Saturday. This watch includes the following counties in Wisconsin: Brown, Calumet, Kewaunee, Manitowoc, Outagamie, Shawano, and Winnebago. And the following: Lake Michigan from Sturgeon Bay to Sheboygan. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The following is a severe weather bulletin. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 630, effective until 1 a.m. Saturday. This watch includes the following counties in Wisconsin: Outagamie, Portage, Shawano, Wapaka, Waushara, and Winnebago, and the following: Lake Michigan from Sturgeon Bay to Sheboygan. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later. The current time is 8.
There we go. So we're directly in the line of the severe weather. It's heading this way. So
Simcoe and Custer. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. for the following counties in Wisconsin.
I got my weather radio with me.
Portage, Waupaca, and Waushara. The following is a severe weather bulletin. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 8.
This is the one I have.
For Central Wood, Portage, and southeastern Marathon counties. At 7:46 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles northwest of Beaverton near Stevens Point and near Lake Wazeeja, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated.
So you see
Impact, expect
stuff,
damage to roofs.
clouds are moving, and it may not show how dark it is, but it is.
Storms will be near, as in around 7:55 p.m. Other locations impacted by these
So they're
severe
talking
thunderstorms
about
include
the
Milidor,
alert
Eldorado,
toward the
Lake
west of
Lake,
us,
Boone,
but we're
Park Ridge,
under a
Donington, North
watch.
Star, Dancy, Holt, and Kellner. For your
I hear
protection,
thunder.
interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these
So-
storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 08:15 p.m. for the following counties in Wisconsin, Marathon, Portage, and Wood. The following is a severe weather bulletin.
It's very dark out. As you see, the light came on
Thunderstorm
earlier.
watch number 630, effective until 1 a.m. Saturday. This watch includes the following counties in Wisconsin: Brown,
So,
Calumet,
we're under a watch
Manitowoc,
until
Montague,
1 a.m.
Shawano,
tomorrow,
Winnebago,
and tomorrow's
the following,
Saturday, so-
Lake Michigan from Sturgeon Bay to Sheboygan. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch
As you
means
see,
that
I had this
conditions are
turned on
favorable
just
for the
before the
development of
warning
severe
for
weather,
us were
including large
issued.
hail and damaging winds
So
in
that's why it
and
says
close to the
severe
watch
thunder
area.
warning.
While severe weather may
That's
not
what it
be
says.
imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing
It
weather
said
conditions
thunder
and
warning,
listen
not
for later
thunderstorm.
statements and possible warnings.
This just said severe thunder
Stay tuned
warning.
to
It
NOAA
means
weather
thunderstorm
radio,
warning.
commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The following is a severe weather bulletin. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm
So you
watch
see the
number
clouds are
630,
coming in.
effective
It's
until 1 a.m.
the camera
Saturday.
picks it up light.
This watch includes the following counties in Wisconsin: Montague, Portage, Shawano, Waupaca, Waushara, and Winnebago, and the following: Lake Michigan from Sturgeon Bay to Sheboygan. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet
So-
sources for the latest severe
Yeah, see,
weather
it's getting
information.
closer.
The current time is 8:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time. The following is a severe weather bulletin. The severe thunderstorm warning for Central Wood, Portage, and southeastern Marathon counties is canceled. The storms which prompted the warning have moved out of the warned area. Therefore, the warning has been canceled. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 1 a.m. for central and northeastern Wisconsin. Remember, a severe thunderstorm warning still remains in effect for Marathon and Portage counties until 8:30 p.m. The following is a severe weather bulletin. The National Weather Service in Green Bay has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Portage County, southeastern Marathon County, Waushara County, Waupaca County, until 8:30 p.m. At 7:50 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Beaverton near Whiting to 6 miles south of Lake Wazeeja, moving southeast at 45 miles an hour.
They're spreading now.
60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, trained weather spotters. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and
So,
trees.
and now
Severe
we're,
thunderstorms will be near Amherst around 8 p.m. Plainfield and Hartman Creek State Park around 8:10 p.m. Chain O Lakes King around 8:15 p.m. Wapak around 8:20 p.m. Latoma around 8:25 p.m. Red Granite, Fremont, and Nonbawan Scout Camp around 8:30 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Schmidt Corner.
okay. I'm gonna check the radar and I'll get back to you. Okay, bye. Hey guys, while I was checking the radar, it started raining, so I'm underneath the overhang of the garage, so I can still get the good view of the storm and stuff. As you see, it looks like a shelf cloud is starting to try to form. As you see, the cloud formation right there, it may look light, but it's actually pretty dark. Underneath the overhang, see if I catch some of the wind that's going to come, because they said trained weather spotters, so they must have reported these are heavy rain or strong winds that are coming. And as you see, it's just the shelf cloud starting to come in. I'm underneath the garage, so I'm somewhat dry, but and stuff. So, and I'm somewhat protected by the wind because I'm undercover, so underneath the garage. As you see, it may look light, but it's actually dark, very dark, so dark. And if you look up there, it's a little lighter, but over here it's dark. Now the wind is starting to pick up. As you see, the weeds are moving. But anyway, stuff. So I got my weather radio. This is a weather alert radio, so any alert will go off. There's some lightning coming in, and I'm facing west where the storm is coming from. And it looks like, as you see now, there's some wind coming in. But the storm itself isn't here yet. But as you see, oh man, that was bright lightning. This looks like the front right now, as you see by the lighter clouds. But it may look light, but it's actually very dark in real life. But as you see, I'm underneath the overhang, so I'm somewhat dry. As you see, I'm by the garage. So and I have a good shot. I'm in my yard, I'm in the driveway, so if I have a good shot, I can go up the ramp and into the house. But I'm trying to get some of the wind that's coming in and stuff. So as you see, I don't know, they're moving pretty good, the clouds toward this way. So, and the willow was moving a little bit, but yeah. So I'm somewhat undercover. So you see, the lightning is flashing pretty good now. Trying to, you know, they're saying that there's a now I can hear the wind. So you see the willows moving a little bit, and the pine trees were moving a little bit too as the storm is getting closer to us. See, the weeds are moving a little bit now, more now as the storm is getting closer. See? And as you see, it will. See the wind is you see oh shoot, the tree just fell. Oh shoot. Hey everybody, I'm across the street where I saw that tree fall, and it turns out the entire tree came down. As you see, it tore out, it fell this way, and right now it's completely impassable. Can't get through here. This used to be a pathway that can go that side of the house, but it's not there any. The tree is blocking that path and stuff. So yep, so this is what happened. So back up so you can see this was not a small tree either. This entire tree, it was huge. See right there? And stuff, so see it's blocking the path. This used to be a path. And stuff. And if you go this way, you'll see that there's a trunk in there. Right there's a trunk and stuff. So yep, and now I'm gonna take you around the other side. And I did catch the tree on video, as you heard last night. So, yep. As you see, we lost some leaves and some twigs, but the big damage is right here. As you can see, this is the other side of the tree. It's not a small tree either, see? And stuff like that. I'm going through here, and there's the other side of the trunk right there. And it bent over some of these trees when it fell. And right up there's some of the trunk way up there. Right there. And as you see, it flattened out some of the regular trees too. So yep, so and basically the tree when it fell tore out, bent over the other smaller trees in front of it. And it was no small tree either. Let's zoom in. Right there's where it snapped off. See, it split the trunk in two. So, right there, split the trunk in two. Stuff like that, so. Yep, so I just thought I would show you that video of the storm. So thanks for watching.